So you're going to feel nice, just pull to this area, relax it. There we go. Let's bend this knee up here.